What you're looking at is Tramways. We're here in Port Elizabeth and it's Saturday. We're celebrating Diversity Week. It's Nelson Mandela University and this is the venue right over here. My battery isn't full, I'll be honest with you, and I make all my videos, almost all of them, on my cell phone. I'll plan accordingly, but this isn't going to be the most content-filled vlog, but I will plan it so that it's fun. And I know you can't see me right now, so we're just going to jump right into the next scene. What's your name?
My name is Yasin.
Where are we?
We are by Tramways.
Say that again?
Tramways.
Yes, we're at Tramways and it's the Diversity Week. We're celebrating the Diversity Week.
Yes.
He's got gear. That's the picked for this. Exactly, that's the spirit. We're going to jump right in there. Yeah, let's jump right in there. I know this girl. Her name's Amanda. Look how beautiful she is. Look how beautiful she is.
Stop it.
So,
Hello, everyone.
Thank you for greeting me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you doing over here?
I'm just waiting for my bassist. We'll be filming today.
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
We have my band called Roots. So,
Roots.
Yeah. 3 girls from Zimbabwe. We love music.
You guys should collab with Freshly Ground Roots.
You know?
I'm gonna go head inside. Look who I just found. What's your name?
Yeah!
Yours in my
Oh, it's a video. Okay.
It's so loud in here. You
Hi,
can't even hear it.
Sheldonzam.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's loud inside here. I mean, we shouldn't do much to it. We shouldn't do too much talking. So, I'm gonna try something called Glühwein. It's Glühwein. Glühwein. Germany.
You like it?
Germany and it's like down a bit. Is it fast or slow? Fast or slow?
No, not fast. Slow.
Okay. Yummy.
I want to try something here, guys.
Now, here comes the music.
Boom, 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 boom. I'll shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom.
Yes, you're looking awesome. I love that you're running. Welcome to our lovely show. Yes, you're looking lovely. Everybody, all I want to tell you is that can I be you? Put your hands together, promise.
Guys, stay tuned, stay tuned. Yes, they've got the whole rig and everything, and we're going to be recording a music video right next to them. We're here for Diversity Week. We're celebrating. Don't worry, you'll have something to eat. We're playing a song for you. I'm sorry you can't sing along too, but at least you got to see these lovely people. That's the end of the vlog. Bye guys.
And the man behind the scene.
That was Nelson Mandela University celebrating Diversity Week. I just pulled up down the road. It is so noisy over there. That's probably why I didn't get a decent narrative into that video. But otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed it. That girl who you saw, Amanda Mack, she was a singer. She was dressed in the black and white jumpsuit. I think that's what it was called. I jam with her. She's a friend of mine. She comes to Revival Fire with me Mondays and Thursdays at university during the break. And you guys are super welcome to come there, even if you're not a student. Comment though if you're interested in that. Otherwise, that's all I have to say about that, and thank you for joining me on today's adventure. I will see you guys soon, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up button, share, subscribe, and all those lovely things. Bye bye.